YouTube? Yo, we back. We on the phone right now. I'm currently trying to get my trunk open. Like, I can't even get my trunk open. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. We're gonna get the trunk open. We're gonna come back. All right, we are back. It is snowing outside. I had to get my gloves out of the trunk. That was a very tall task. It is snowing outside, though. Let me show you. Had the snow on the whip. My fault, y'all. My hands got cold. I had to take my gloves off. It's freezing, yo. It's like 20 degrees right now. Like, oh my. Yo, YouTube, we are back. It is currently later that night. Well, later tonight. That was probably like 12 something earlier today. Hold on. I'm currently, let me set y'all up. Hold on.
Want to ring in the new year with style? Let me show you. Ashley has hot buys starting at just $2.99. I got this sofa, and honestly, what a find! Just $6.49. Shop Ashley today.
Boom. Boom. Alright. So right now I am currently editing YouTube video right now. Y'all see this when y'all see it, but we're not doing that video. That was when I had went to gather with Jacob Side. But yeah, really just chilling right now, editing. Editing, watching YouTube, and then just doing some brand stuff. I've been doing mock-ups and different stuff like that. Just trying to knock out designs and stuff like that. My first piece is in production right now. Should I show y'all a little mock-up? Y'all want to see a little mock-up? Should I show y'all a little mock-up? Y'all want to see a little mock-up? Ooh, y'all already seen the mock-up in the last video. Well, in the video, yeah, in the last video. But I'm changing that, so yeah. But just trying to think. Should I show y'all a little mock-up? Nah, just make sure y'all go to the Instagram, tune in, follow the Instagram, Vanguard District on IG, and go tune in. I'm sure by the time I drop this, it'll be a little more on it. So yeah, make sure y'all go tune in on that. But yeah, it snowed. I'm currently in Spartanburg right now. It snowed. It's a little ice storm or whatever we got going on right now. But yeah, I came down here yesterday, Saturday, it's Sunday. Yeah, I came down here Saturday. Yeah, so now we snowed in. I don't have class until Wednesday. They canceled classes until Wednesday. So I don't know what I'm finna do. As far as me going back, my tattoo appointment was on Saturday, but he canceled it because of the weather and everything, which is understandable. And then he asked if I could come tomorrow, but I'm down here and the roads is icy. Like, it's still snow outside. Like, yeah, it's like still snow outside. So hopefully, I gotta go back home for a doctor's appointment for my elbow on Friday. So hopefully by that time, hopefully I can get my tattoo maybe Saturday, Sunday, something like that. But yeah, hopefully by the time I drop this video, I will have it. I'm getting a full chest piece, so yeah. But I really just been all day. I really just been chilling. I had to knock out some schoolwork. I've been designing some mock-ups. And then I gotta get my trying to decide on whether I want to go Man U or just go straight DTG printing. I'll probably go straight DTG printing so I can get more and I can get them sooner. I can drop those sooner for y'all. I might end up dropping those with the jacket that I'm dropping first. We'll kind of see how that goes, whether I want to make it double or not. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's really what I'm really doing. I'm really just chilling for real, editing. Like, let me show y'all. Show y'all setup. Oh, hold on. Can't let y'all see the password. Hold on. Oh, John. Oh, my videos did upload. So yeah, we gotta finish uploading all that, but yeah, that's what we got going on. But yeah, I might pick up the camera again tonight. Seahawks to the bowl. Seahawks stand up. Hey, comment down below your favorite team. Y'all know, well, I guess y'all don't know. I'm a Seahawks fan. We've been down for a little minute, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't been watching. Let me skip this ad. I ain't been watching NFL football in a good little minute, I ain't gonna lie. But this year, towards the end, once football season ended, I started watching NFL a little more. I always watch college, that's mandatory, but yeah, I ain't even show y'all. We're watching on YouTube, but really just playing in the background. But yeah, I may pick up the camera again tonight. I'm making this little TikTok. I'm gonna start posting on the brand TikTok page, get some engagement on that page a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up. I might pick up the camera again later tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna try to find something to do for y'all. But you know, I can't do much because it's like snowing outside, like crazy. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. Yo, y'all, we back. I am currently at school, and it's like I got my LEDs on, so hold on, let me change my color so y'all can see me a little better. All right, that's a little better, but I am currently. I just finished eating. Well, I went to work out. I got done. Me and Sai went to work out. We got done around like 10:30, and then I came back and cooked meal prep for the week. A little chicken rice, Cajun chicken rice, and broccoli. So I'm finna indulge. Hold on. Smooth little meal. But yeah, so we are back at school. I came back like I had rehab at 3, so I went to rehab, went and got some food. Came back to the school, chilled, all that type stuff, and then I went and worked out. So I ain't even been doing too much today, but I wanted to check in with y'all and get a little first bite real quick. I can really cook for real life. Oh my. Get a little broccoli. Damn. Hey, bro. I can really cook for real life. Yeah. Cause like, But yeah, I just want to check in with y'all. I'm finna eat. I don't think y'all never seen my room before. Small little vibe. On my bed. TV. My bed's messy, so I ain't getting up and showing y'all my bed right now. Bed, dressers, all that. My desk right here. Y'all can't see it, but it's a little messy, so I ain't gonna show y'all right now. Got my food, my snacks, and all that over there. Closet. Y'all can't see the closet. Closet. TV, P5. Then I got another dress over there for like my pants and all that. And then and my football stuff. And then TV, and then I got like a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff right there. All my jewelry, colognes, and then like just a whole bunch of necessities, stuff like that. Ooh, I don't got my sound plugged up. Hold on. A little better, like, that's way better actually. I had to plug up my little sign right there. But yeah, we had rehab today. Rehab was smooth. I'm almost back to full extension. Let's see if y'all can see my incision. Hold on. Yeah, there's my incision right there, but a little rough. Hopefully I can get a retwist this weekend on Friday. I'm getting my tat on Saturday. I'll probably vlog that a little bit. We go full chest piece. Yeah. But finna eat. Might catch y'all tomorrow. We'll see what we got going on. Alright, y'all. It is currently 10:08. I am about to head home. I got a doctor's appointment at 12:30, but I gotta ship this package up at the post office real quick. So I'm finna go print this label off, and then drop that off, and then we're gonna get on the road. But yeah, I ain't gonna be doing too much today for real. Tattoo tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully it don't snow. Cause if it snow, most likely we're gonna have to reschedule, but I hope not, cause he like a minute away from my house. So like,
please fasten to
if I got to, I'll walk. Like, I'll walk in the cold, but I need it. But I ain't trying to argue the schedule. Reschedule once. I'm not trying to reschedule again. We'll bump it. So we're gonna see how that go, but yeah. It's early. I'm tired. I just woke up like 45 minutes ago. My legs hurt from workouts. My IT band is cruise, like that just sore, like overly sore, like not no regular sore. But just got to the little student center so I can print out this little thing real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we have printed the label now. We are on the way to the post office, which is conveniently right here. I hope they got a box, cause are they closed? Oh no, they're not closed. I hope they got a box, and I definitely do not have a box, but we're gonna see if they got a box. I need to grab my wallet just in case I gotta pay. But we're gonna see if they got a box. Hold on, let's see if I can carry this. Turn the car off. We're gonna catch up in a minute. It's too much going on. I dropped the paper. God damn. Alright, y'all, we are leaving the post office. We just shipped it off. I had to get a box. The box was like $7, but the guy showed love. He gave me the box for free. So, hey, free is free. I ain't really tripping. But we finna hit the road. It's really low key early. I really got some time. What time is it? It is 10:21. I really got some time, low key. I'm finna pull over here and make sure my tire's straight real quick. I do gotta get gas though, so the tire thing won't take long. Yeah, he really showed love. The box is like $7, but he gave it to me for free. So, hey, appreciate him. Hey, whoever his boss is, give him a raise. I say give him a raise. You need it. He always show love when I go in there though. But yeah, let me pop my trunk. And it's supposed to snow in Columbia. I mean, it's supposed to snow, but you know how that go in Columbia. It don't be snowing like that. Like, it says it's gonna snow. It might be a little ice or something, but it's never really gonna snow like. I don't feel like I got two. Let me show you. My trunk is semi-dirty, not really, but I got two of them. I don't feel like using a big one right now, so we're using the small one. The big one would be too much work. For sure. Okay, hold on. Start right here. Ah! Put y'all right here. Ah! Hold on, let me plug this up real quick. Oh! Oh! This one's good. Oh, don't let all that out now. Come on now. We G's with this one right here, y'all. I don't know why my tire pressure thing came on there. Let me go see. It might be my other one. Let me go look. It might be the little weather. A little cold, a little ice. But you can never be too sure. Feel me? Smell me. Oh. I can't even prop it up to where y'all can see me. Oh no. We're gonna check these and we're gonna be back. I came to the conclusion that it was the weather change. I guess it just knocked my thing off. So let me turn it off. Cause my tires all got phone cut off. I forgot to get a drink from the Grumpy Mule, but my phone had cut off. What time is it? 10:26. Am I not thirsty? But we're gonna go grab a drink real quick. We got time. We ain't in no little rush. I gotta have something to drink for the trip. I mean, not for the trip, but for the little drive. I can't be parched. Be a little parched. Yeah. But yeah, we finna get on the road. So I'll probably talk to y'all when I get to the doctor. Unless something just happened. I might talk to y'all when I get to the gas station. But regardless, we're gonna talk to y'all at the next location. All right, y'all. We are currently at the G station getting gas. Hold on. Let me sit down because it's cold. I ain't gonna lie, it's cold, like overly cold. I'm tired. Went to sleep at 3 a.m., 2 a.m., woke up about 4, then go back to sleep till like 6. I gotta drive an hour and a half back to the crib. Man, it's cold. I ain't eat. Oh yeah. I couldn't decide what to get. I got a body armor. I didn't know what to get. I didn't want a Powerade because I've been drinking Powerade all week. All I drink is Powerade, water, protein shakes, and smoothies. So I want something different, but we at 30 right now. 31. That's what we stopped at. Gotta do an extra little pump, extra little pump. $32. It's bad. I don't want no receipt. Oh, hurry up, it's cold. Hurry up, it's cold. No, I don't want no receipt. Alright. But I closed my gas tank. Of course I did. But I think I'm about to start vlogging on the camera more. I'm gonna vlog on the camera more, and then I'm gonna start using mics. Get y'all a little better quality, and then a little more audio. The iPhone quality good, low key. I mess with the iPhone quality, but I always use it for a change, so we might make that little change within the next 2-3 vlogs. We're gonna see. But finna leave to get gas station and get on the road. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back. All right, y'all. We have made it to the doctor. It is 12:18. I got here like 12:13. I think I left around like 10:45, 10:50. So it took me about an hour and a half, somewhere around there. But I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie. Like when I leave here, I'm getting food, and then I'm going to lay down because I'm tired. But yeah, so my appointment at 12:30, so I'm gonna go in like 5 minutes. But yeah, I just want to check in, let y'all know what I was doing. I'm probably gonna get an acai bowl when I leave here. We'll see, but we'll catch y'all later. Yo, y'all, it's currently Saturday. As you can see, it's snowing. It's snowing, so the tattoo got pushed back, but I might be getting it tomorrow. We're gonna see. He gonna let me know, but as of right now, it's snowing. It's not sticking, or it's sticking to the grass, but it's not sticking to the pavement. So we finna blow the car off, and then we're gonna go have some fun. Y'all gonna see. Okay. We'll be back in a minute. I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, y'all. We're in the car right now. Waiting on my folks. We finna go to the land, ride 4-wheelers real quick in the car. It's cold. Like, it's like real life cold. Like, my lips actually been outside. Hold on. Oh no, we can't turn the heat off, bitch. But like, I'm real life like cold. Like, this is not no games. This is the most it's done snowed in a minute. Columbia at least. But I don't know what they doing. It's 4:30. But let me show y'all what we got. Know we come. Goggles on them. Oh! Five. I'm out here like we finna go to. I'm going to Aspen, like a trip I want to go to next year. Aspen, Colorado, during the winter to see the spring. To see the snow in the winter. I know that'd be fun. So definitely. I got my hand warmer, football hand warmer with the hot hands in it, and then got the gloves over here. I don't feel like getting them. Brace, tripod, Tim's. I got my slides on right now because I'm finna drop, but I'm putting the Tim's on when we get there. But yeah, finna go out here, ride the 4-wheel a little bit, chill. But I'm gonna pick back up the camera. Either when I'm driving when we get there. Alright, y'all, since these cars in front of us are driving so slow, I'm gonna show y'all what like it looked like outside. Like, oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, just want to show y'all real quick. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, we have arrived. We're out here. Hold on, let me show y'all the car real quick. Hold on. Gotta put all this stuff. Like, oh my god. Like, it's crazy in the snow. Like, oh my god. Damn, I gotta dust that snow off when I step back drive. But oh my gosh, look. Hold on, let me switch on real quick. Alright, we out here, we back. Hey, it look like we like real life in Aspen, Colorado right now. Like, sorry, I keep talking about that, but I want to go. Like, that's like my next, like my favorite place I want to go next on my list. But it's cold. We out here at the land right now. I don't know if I can see, but it's cold. My hands freezing. I should put that glove on, but pick that up in a minute. Alright, y'all, we're out here. Oh, it's cold. Walk around, show you. Oh, God. Novi. Nova. What you doing, Novi? Yeah, out here. The land house getting built right now. But yeah. I'm at my new house now. Nova, what you eating? Yeah, about to ride 4-wheeler, so I'm gonna pick up the camera in a minute. All right, y'all. We are currently on the way back to the crib. Y'all just see what we was doing. I'm gonna put the clips in there. Some of the clips of me riding. I'm gonna put some of those in there. But yeah, we was out there riding. At first it wanted to start, so we had to jump it off. But we gotta get a new battery for it. I'm currently driving home right now. We're driving very slow. I need to put my phone down. But I just wanted to come here and update y'all. But yeah, might go back out tomorrow probably. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back. Vlog, yo! We outside on the four-wheeler with it. It is currently Sunday. We out here riding around. It's dark right now. I know I look crazy right now, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we riding out here. Got a little short POV real quick. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, y'all. It is currently, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 7, 8 o'clock. I'm leaving the land right now. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I can't even see where I'm going right now. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and tune in for the next one. And we out. Peace.